Okay, so now that we've looked at some possible nets for a cube, we're going to look at some nets for a rectangular prism. So we can look at various rectangular prisms here. You can see it's color-coded, the different faces in blue, green, and red. So when you look at the net, you can see where those came from. So this is the top and bottom. This is the left and right side in red, and then the front and back in green there. And so if I make all the length, width, and height the same, remember that's a cube, and that's what we've been looking at. But as soon as I change one dimension to be different than the others, now it's a rectangular prism. It's no longer a cube. And so you're welcome to get onto Agile Mind, and you can change these numbers and look at different rectangular prisms and what their nets would look like. So if that's something that interests you, then you can just get on there and just change it up and look at different nets. So our wrap-up question asks, what would the net of a cylinder look like? So if you think of a can of food, this might help you a little bit. So the label goes along the edges, and if you rip the label off, you might notice it looks like a rectangle. And then the top and bottom of the cylinder are of course circles. So this is what the net of a cylinder looks like, the top and bottom circles and the lateral surface, which is a rectangle. So don't forget, nets are only considered unique if they are not a reflection or rotation of one another. So that's just something to note there. All right, good luck with your homework.